Hi guys, Eileen here. Ayala Serene is one of my go-to malls here in Tagaytay. Dito ako madalas mag-grocery, do errands, dine, shop, and syempre, give myself a treat like a pamper day. Parang andito na nga lahat ng needs ko, and aside from that, they are also pet-friendly. Tamang-tama nga ngayon kasi payday na naman and bare months na. So madali lang siya puntahan, kaya naman this coming holiday season, you can buy your Christmas gifts here. I-treat mo na din yung sarili mo for a pamper day and food trip kasi deserve mo to after a year of working hard. Walang bahalong biro. Madami din ditong pwedeng kainan which is tamang-tama kapag nagkayayaan kayo ng friends mo. May time zone din kaya pwede nga rin siyang date ideas eh. They also have events here kapag weekends or holidays, depende, like music jamming with an artist or yung mga, ayan, kagaya nitong arts and crafts. And hindi lang siya pang kids ha. Ang dami nga pwedeng gawin dito sa Ayala Mall Serene, no? Kaya nga pag pumupunta ako dito, kulang yung ilang oras. Ang babait pa nga ng staff nila and super friendly. Kayo ba, what's your go-to store here at Ayala Mall Serene? Ako kasi many to mention, lalo na ang dami rin naman talagang stores dito. Well, Ayala Mall Serene has it all. From errands to pampering, everything's in one spot talaga. So don't forget to drop by, especially ngayong Christmas season. So yun lang, see you on my next vlog. Bye!